this video, I'll be talking about the aldoses and ketoses. Normal ending with O's indicate that they are sugars. So monosaccharide, the normal formula is CnH2nOn. So when talking about the definition of the monosaccharide can be ketone or aldehyde with 3 to 6 carbon atoms. Every carbon atom has either carbon double bond or carbon hydroxyl bond. So when talking about the aldoses and ketoses, we are only considering about the carbon double bond O. The carbon double bond O, which is going to be on the carbon number 1, we called it aldoses. So I'm going to number in this chain as well. The carbon double bond O, which is going to be on the carbon number 2, we called it ketoses. Hope you can understand the difference between aldoses and ketoses. The carbon double bond O, which is going to be on the carbon number 1, we called aldoses, and which is going to be on the carbon number 2, we called ketoses. So based on the double bond, we can tell whether it's aldose or ketose, but we can't tell about the number of carbons it has. So for that, there's another classification that first we have to find whether it's a ketose or aldose. Then we have to count the number of carbons it has. Then the name stands for the first part is aldo or keto. So if it is a aldose, it should be aldo. If it is a ketose, it should be keto. Then there's a specific prefix. And the end part should be os for both aldoses and ketoses. The prefix is based on the number of carbon it has. If it is 3, it should be tri. If it is 4, it should be tetra. If it is 5, it should be penta. If it is 6, it should be hexa. So based on that, we can consider this chain. So it has 3 carbons. So we know this is aldose based on the location of carbon double bond O. So the first part should be aldo, and the second part it's prefix, and based on the number of carbons, it has 3 carbons. So it should be tri, and the end part should be ost. So we can call this aldotriose. For this, it has 3 carbons, and this is a ketose based on the location of carbon double bond O. So the first part should be keto. As it has 3 carbons, it should be tri, and the end part should be os. It is keto. We can call it ketotriose. This is more specific than the earlier one because the previous classification we can't tell about the number of carbons it has. For this classification, we can get idea about the number of carbon it has. So hope you can like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.